What's up, guys? Brandon Detail Doctor here. Today we're doing it, looks like an evolution. This is my cousin's car, and I came all the way down here to Jersey Mike's to take care of his beautiful, I'm not sure what year it is, but we're gonna make it pretty. We definitely have to show some love to these wheels. It's got some Brembo brake pad, not the rotors, but the calipers. It's a white car. The paint's not bad. It just needs a good clay and buff, which we're gonna do. We're also going to actually shine the front up to give it a nice gloss for the black. Beautiful. So he wanted me to drive it. We're gonna meet him later, and he's gonna talk about his car, what he's got done, when he got it, and so on. So I hope you guys sit back and you enjoy the video and also the content. If you guys been to this street before, you've been to Real Street, check it out. Tell me what you guys think. So we're gonna do the exterior detail today on this car. This includes the wheels, which I'm gonna clean the inside of the wheel, the exterior of the wheel, the tires, the wheel well, clay and buff the body. So I'm using my iPhone 12 Pro, and it has a feature where I can 0.5 times and 1 and 2. So you can see the whole entire car whenever I back the camera up, which is pretty neat. I just got this phone not too long ago, and I'm pretty impressed with it. It shoots just as good as a couple $1,000 camera. It's in 4K, this video, so it's definitely nice. So let's take a walk inside and meet the cousin. His name is James Burnside. This is Jersey Mike's. You guys should come up here. They're open 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Sunday. There's the man right there. What's up, James?
What's up, bro?
Welcome to your store.
Welcome.
What do you recommend here for my audience?
Probably Italian.
Italian is the best?
Our Italian stuff's always the best.
The big kahuna.
The big kahuna? That was pretty good, bro.
It's looking nice. Who cares about the calories? We just want to eat.
It's true.
But we're going to take care of your car, and then we'll talk about it a little bit later when you have time.
Sounds good, man.
Love you, bro.
Hey guys, I'm ready to do the plastics with my Tornador Classic. This is dressing. I have my mask on, that's why you probably can't hear me too well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dress with this gun. It makes it a lot simpler than doing it all by hand. Yeah, I recommend you guys do this. Put the power on the gun to make it a little bit more efficient. And then you can do all the plastics whenever you do that. Nice little trick. So I'll come down with the bumper. big difference whenever you do that. It gets the job done. Too. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Leave some comments. I'm running this gun from my air compressor. Comes out so pretty. It's really easy to get off once you do your exhaust cleaning. It doesn't matter if it gets good, it dries perfectly after. Perfect quality every time. Flawless, guys, every time. So just get back to me shortly. I'll get back to you. We'll do some more videos. So let's get back to the finished product and talk with my cousin about the store and everything. Bye.
Hey guys, I'm back here. I'm doing the exterior right now. I'm doing the buffing with my Torque FX10 buffer, and it's coming out fabulous. I mean, for a one stage, I'm using a polish, and it's our very best. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's focus in 3D speed. This is a true one-step correction glaze. Polish, protect, high gloss finish, perfect for boats, RVs, and more. And I highly recommend this if you want a good one stage. It makes a total difference. The only thing bad about over in this area, there's so many people coming through, like traffic, and I know I'm taking up 2 parking spots for this car. I have my cone set up here because sometimes.
Bro, that looks so... Holy crap, bro.
Well, I appreciate it, James.
No, I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, of course. Got all the wheels nice and clean. We're doing it here at the parking lot, Jersey Mike's. So you like the job over here? You take care of people, right?
Of course. And I'm trying to be an owner too, so
You will. You'll be a franchise owner of selling these cars too.
I'm down with that.
They're awesome. Too bad we don't see the skyline today,
Not today. Not today.
but it'll be back.
Oh, definitely.
We're gonna get some sandwiches for lunch though. Definitely. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Look at that. Thank you for the sandwich. That's what happens when you have the hookup and do the car detail for your family. They gave you nice sandwiches. Looks absolutely delicious. Yum, 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 yum.